I ask the Lord that as I take this journey, may He give me strength so that I never go back.
Ngiyacela sihale umfowethu waswethu usikile ayishayile izandla enkulu ayishayile izandla lo
I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. I greet our mother and father and all our pastors. Brethren, I'm here to thank the Lord. 2022, in 2022, I came to give thanks that I've been accepted at the Valley University of Technology. I was studying public relations. Then last year, June, I came to give thanks that I got a 6-month contract. I had to go through training to obtain my qualification. Today I'm here to give thanks. I have finished school. I finished my 3-year qualification in status finance, and this year April to graduate. I'll be graduating. I bring together in the name of Jesus Christ. I'm here to give thanks, Lord. I've been very sick since October. What made me happy was seeing our mother and father entering my home. They came to pray for me. And in November, I was sent to hospital. Even then, our parents came, though the situation was difficult. But through their prayer, everything went well. I thank all the pastors who prayed for me. Pastor Z,
Pastor Vilagazi,
Pastor B,
Pastor Makat,
and Pastor Makat.
I
also thank the intercessors of MLA who came to visit me in hospital. They came with Mama Tau. I also thank the because when it got difficult, Kaisila would call them. And they prayed for me in the mountain. I was healed because of the prayers of the mountain. Another thing I want to give thanks for, Sister Sondo. She did say which doctor can help me. I went to that doctor after hospital. And I was healed as I can walk now. I couldn't walk. I was always in bed. But through the prayers of the Spirit, I can now walk. Another person that I thank is Cecily from Britain. She used her car to fetch me and take me to church. I cannot walk a long distance, but I'm grateful that I can. May the Lord bless you, brother.
I greet you in
the name of Jesus Christ. I greet our mother and father. And I greet all the pastors. I greet the entire congregation. I'm here to give thanks to the Lord.
I'm grateful for the gift of life as I was able to enter this year.
Ngibonga nokuthi nalapho ngikhala khona ukuthi hayi amathambo. Ngibonga ikhalo lami nali ngathi liyaluleka
I'm also
nami.
grateful that my waist has been healed.
Bathandekayo ngizobonga kakhulu.
Brethren, I'm here to give thanks.
Iminyaka ngikhala ngabantu abami, abantu abamabazwana.
I've been crying over my children for years. They do not get along.
Uma kuzo omunye ngapha ngoDisemba ezovakasha ominyaka eyisi.
When one of them came to visit, the other would come.
Bukufemeli enye uthole ukuthi bagibele bahleli nabantu ababo.
And I would look at other families where they had all their children.
Ngibonga kulo nyaka leviki eliphelile.
I'm grateful that last week
bamfonela ke bokuzela uthundu lomntanakhe ngoDisemba.
they called me in December. My last born was here with a child.
Lo alamana naye azange eze.
The other one didn't come.
Kodwa ke bafona after leviki eliphelile nje ngesonto ngimele embhedeni ngiyababisa.
They called me last week Sunday as I was complaining.
Ukuthi ngabe abantu abami bona bahlala njani bazwana nami ngike ngikhale nabo bonke abantu abami ngoDisemba.
I was wondering when I would get my children back together in December.
uNkulunkulu amkhulu nomncane